Today I want to introduce you to the Gecam model 136, which is a grinding machine to grind edges on boxes. We have here where you have a weld seam and you want to remove that weld seam. And the machine can handle up to 16-inch parts. This particular one up to an 8-inch part. It comes in different sizes. Simply by placing the part on the table and then clamping it. And I'll show you the clamping mechanism. Clamping mechanism, very easy, is a variable rod that you hold against the part and then you lock it so that the part can't move anymore. So you can make different sizes very quickly. It's an extremely rapid setup. It's very easy to use. So you put your part in here and you clamp it. But before we start grinding, I want to show you the inner workings of the machine, because that's very critical. This is a design that Metal Finish has revamped completely. You have your oscillating head here, which is oscillating through this rod system working in here. This is a fully adjustable cam so that you can adjust the amplitude of the oscillating head to more or less in very fine increments. This of course is your drive drum, and you can adjust the belt tension here, and you can adjust the belt tracking with this screw from the other side. Then in here, this will move this rod back and forth. There you can adjust the symmetry, grinding a little bit more on the bottom, grinding a little bit more on the top. Obviously you want to adjust it so that it's symmetric. And then you have this adjustment here. This moves a rod that moves this center hub back and forth. And I will make that motion for you in a second. And the further you move this away from the pivot point of the swiveling arm, the larger the radius. So here you adjust your radius for the head. And I will make that movement by hand for you, so you can see how that fork is moved and how at the same time how this arm is moving. Okay, so this is a grinding action. The machine, everything is machined and assembled in here and dowel pinned so that it repeats very accurately. It's very maintenance friendly. We don't have any bearings in here anymore. Everything is with oilless bushings, other than the bearings, of course, for the idler rolls. In the head itself, we have assembled a backing piece with a stainless steel cover that is replaceable when it wears out, and that gives you more uniformity in your weld along the to make the seam as straight as possible. We close this, and then the grinding itself, very simple, is you turn the machine on, you have two different belt speeds, and you turn your head on. And then you see that you have a very smooth, round edge from side to side with the weld removed. We barely scratched the side here. That's how we adjusted it. And of course, then you still have to do the top and the bottom. But after that, you have a totally uniform edge. So you go from here to here in just a few seconds. As you grind, what is also integrated into the machine is this dust collector. The replacement felt for this is $30. It's very affordable. It works with a cyclone where the heavy particle goes out before, and then the fine particle is filtered here, and you can open up the can in the bottom in order to clean it out. And it's a very compact solution so that your whole operation is cleaner.